In this video, I'll show you how to export code from Bolt.New. First, sign into your Bolt.New account and open the project you want to export. Make sure you've saved all of your latest changes before downloading the code. Next, click the Download or Export option in the project toolbar. Bolt.New will prepare your project files and package them for download. After that, choose the Export option if you're given multiple choices, then confirm the download. Once the process is complete, save the project files to your computer and extract them if they're downloaded as a zip archive. Now, open the exported project in your preferred code editor, such as Visual Studio Code. Review the project structure, install any required dependencies, and make sure everything is ready for local development. Finally, run the project on your computer to verify that it works correctly. You can now continue developing the application locally, upload it to a Git repository, or deploy it to your preferred hosting platform. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export code from Bolt.New. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.